O yan, talagang ito mukhang baka isahin na rin ni Coach Bote Razon yan, ha? A lot of players in foul trouble para dito sa Air 21. Darius Rice.
Si Evangelista calls for the foul. Bagsak si Thomas.
Biglang nalukot na lang si Steve Thomas doon. At hinahawakan niya yung kanyang ankle. Steve Thomas.
Ito yung mga Pure Foods fans, binibilangan ng mandatory count. Si Steve Thomas, knockout out, 10 count.
Pero yan, ayun. At,
he might have twisted his ankle in that pivot move.
pagpihit niya, no?
Oo. I hope he's okay. Alam naman natin how important an import is to any team. And Thomas is he's a class of his own. He's a class act.
Well, 30-second timeout.
Oh, not a good sign here.
Para sa Air
Because he's
21.
limping back to the bench. You know how important Thomas is as a rebounder and defender and inside scorer para sa Air 21.
Bagamat lamang pa rin po ang Air 21 ng apat, ay unti-unti po talaga nadadagdagan ng problema ni Coach Bope Razon. Samantala, ito ang pinag-usapan natin, ang ating mga All-Stars, ang North All-Stars, at humakot ng boto dyan si Mark Pingris at Kirby Raimundo.
Tama, no? Both coming from Pure Foods in the last conference. Pero si Mark Pingris now is playing for Magnolia. Yan po ang mga starters ng North All-Stars. At darating na po yan ang ating All-Star game in Bacolod City.
April 24 to 27. Of course, ang South All-Stars naman po ay pamumunuan ni Coach Boyd Fernandez. At si James Yap yung nahuhunod sa botohan doon, ano? At talaga namang home court para kay James Yap, no? Kung sa Bacolod
yes,
Bacolod na ito gagawin, no?
Here's a steal by John Dan Salvador. And a foul by... No foul? Roger Yap checking back in. Now with 9:07 to go, you will want James Yap back on the floor. Kailangan si James Yap dito, partner.
Ang mukhang sinapit na nga ni Coach Ryan Gregorio.
He's now being tapped. Oh, that's an illegal pick by John Dan Salvador.
Alam, madalas na nahuhuli si John Dan Salvador sa pick na yan, ano?
Kasi gumagalaw eh. After he sets the pick, he moves. And so it's an illegal pick. He's gotta just stay stationary after setting the pick.
Ang laking panghihinayang para kay John Dan, ano?
Tama yun.
Kaya an opportunity na may
at saka siya naka-steal kanina eh. It gives also an opportunity for James Yap to check back in. So yung Yap-Yap combination, nandiyan naman sa loob ng court.
Okay na okay, Yap-Yap. Diba? Oo, ito. At Steve Thomas, ito, poposte muli. Ikot nila dito, Ronnie Del Real Campo. Oh, yes!
Oh, that's a dagger. Masakit yun. That opens up a 7-point lead now for Air 21.
A total of 10 points para kay Ronnie Del. Late bloomer dito sa Rendel sa ball game natin. It was hardly a factor in the first half.
Mabagal yung rotation eh. You have to close out to the shooter.
There's Darius Rice. Arwin Santos on him. Meanwhile, shot clock winding down. James Yap pumukol. Wala. Naipit to si Darius Rice. Tinitsa na lang. Wala pa rin.
Ito sinasabi natin about his shot selection. Darius Rice looks like he's hurt.
Apat lang. Apat lang nakadumidepensya sa Pure Foods ngayon. Darius Rice nasa backcourt pa.
Sandali. Now they have a chance to score.
Dilampasan nila. Ito si Darius Rice. James Yap. Wala pa rin.
And Rice is still on the floor. Alam mo sa
at hindi hinto yung play natin dito. Kinito.
Air 21 scores. And Darius Rice is dazed. He's down on the floor. He's crumpled down. Diba nangyari?
At talaga namang ayaw po si Darius Rice. Alam po, nakikita po natin Darius Rice hindi pa rin
It looks bad. It looks bad because he tried to get up from the floor. Tapos he slumped down again. May dugo yata eh. May dugo lumalabas sa ilong. I see some specks of blood on the floor.
Alright.
Nahilo. Para knockout blow yun.
Ito po yung, ito yung huling aksyon. Ball for Darius Rice. Pagtanggap na pagtanggap. Kumiksa na lamang yan ni Darius. Alam mo, dito wala pa eh. Biglang pag, yan na. Biglang na. Delayed reaction, ano? Biglang na naramdaman.
Ito, sandwich play yan. Ito, hinagis na lang niya yung bola. And that had no chance of making it. Now, no contact here. Walang contact.
Ang tanong dito at mukhang ito kailangan
It looks big.
pahingin muna ito si Darius Rice.
Parang
Kanina
Rocky.
nag-alala tayo kay Steve Thomas, hindi ba ganito, no? Dahil nga napilipit itong ankle nito si Steve Thomas.
But Thomas is back on the floor. And it's now Darius Rice sitting on the bench.
Right now, timeout. Ang i-assess dito sa Pure Foods, Denver Juicy Giants. So, tignan po natin. Ano mangyayari dito mga kaibigan na wala na pong bibitaw. Mabalik po ang aksyon dito po sa Caneta Coliseum. We'll be right back. Well, yun po mga kaibigan, inabutan nyo pa itong si Darius Rice. Ang babalik sa kanilang locker room. Balikan ulit natin ito, kinito. Ano, naisip ko si Darius. Pero mukhang bago sa ubangat talagang he already grimaced. He was already grimacing. Ito yung natin yung report ni Magu, no? At inaalam pa natin kung ano talaga ang sitwasyon dito kay Darius Rice. Alright, so ito punta natin si Magu Marjan. Magu.
Mon, yung initial na tingin ng doctors na dito kay Darius Rice, meron daw nasal bone fracture. Actually, ito si Rice, gusto pa maglaro eh. Sinasabi niya, I still can play, I still want to play. Pero sinabi ng doctors, hindi muna pwede. At sinabi ng coaching staff, bumalik na muna siya doon sa dugout. I'll be back with more for you guys.
Alright, well, salamat Magu. So, yan po, tututukan ni Magu yung development dyan dito kay Darius Rice. So, para sa Pure Foods, ito po, malapit tayo sa 7-minute mark. Wala pong Darius Rice sila na maasahan so far dahil nga po nasa locker room ito si Darius Rice.
At ewan natin kung makakabalik pa, no? Although, sabi nga ni Magu, he did express a desire to continue playing. That shows you the heart of Darius Rice. Incidentally, now 4 players with 5 personal fouls. For Air 21, si Arboleda, si Se, si Ranideldo Ocampo, at saka si Marvin Cruz.
Namumuro na ito mga kapatid ito para sa Air 21. At mahaba pa ang oras dito sa ating 4th period.
Dribbling violation here. And another turnover. Ito yung sinasabi natin na yung galaw ng Pure Foods na kaiba when they're playing with all locals because they're familiar with each other. Ito, no, yung depensa nila. Nagpapakita na naman dito. Getting that turnover.
Kirby Raimundo to Roger Yab. They kick it out. CJ Simon. They kill yung kanyang press. At Kirby Raimundo. Point blank miss para kay Kirby Raimundo. And Homer's, he goes all the way for 2.
And Marcel looks like he might have come down hard on his foot. 18 points na si Homer, And he's doing a great job finishing the break for a big man.
So, kanina ito, repeated naman ang magagandang pass si Homer Se. Ayun, ito lang. Magandang discount doon. Samantala, Kirby Raimundo. 15 puntos na ginagawa ni Kirby Raimundo. Kailangan mag-step up ni Kirby dito. Ganito.
Hindi lang si Kirby, si James Yap din. There's a foul by Gabby Espinas on the break. DJ Simon.
Another opportunity para po sa Pure Foods na matapkisan yung lamang ng Air 21.
Actually, nasa penalty na nga ang Air 21. So, whether active shooting or not, immaterial, he will go for 2 free throws.
Para kay Billy John Simon. Papasok si Doug Kramer. Ito si Doug Kramer. Ito yung starring nung first half natin. Ganito.
Tama,
Pero halos hindi na siya inasahan in terms of scoring dito sa second half para sa Air 21.
points for Kramer in the first quarter, but he hasn't